Hello friends! In the previous videos we have solved 40 problems on the concept of number system. With this video we are going to complete 50 problems on the concept number system. Let us start with few simple problems. See the first one of this video, 106 into 106 plus 94 into 94. Right? See the question. The question is in the form of a square plus b square, right? A square plus b square. That means 106 into 106 can be written as 106 whole square, and 94 into 94 can be written as 94 whole square. And we can rewrite it as 100 plus 6 whole square, and 94 can be written as 100 minus 6 whole square. And again this is in the form of a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. You know the formula, a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square equal to 2 into a square plus b square. If you substitute the given problem in this formula, that means a equal to 100 and b equal to 6, that is equal to 2 into 100 square plus 6 whole square. If you calculate this, you will get the answer. 100 square means 1000, not 1000, 10,000 plus 6 square 36. That is equal to 2 into 10036. Multiply with 2, you will get the final answer. 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6, 6 plus 1 7, 0 0 2. This is the final answer for this given question. I hope you understood. See the next question, 1008 into 992. This can be written as 1000 plus 8 into 1000 minus 8, right? So this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. You know the formula, a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. Here a is 1000 and b is 8. A plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. Now let us calculate this. You will get total 6 zeros, and 8 square means 64. Subtract 10 minus 4 6, 9 minus 6 3, 9 9 9. 9936 is the answer for this question. See the next question. Root x equal to 88 into 42 divided by 16 and find the value of x. Here we have to find the value of x. To find the value of x, let us replace this as 88 into 42 divided by 16. Cancel the terms which are divisible. 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8. Again cancel with 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. Again it will be cancelled. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Root x equal to how much? 11 into 21. If you multiply these two, you will get the answer as 231. That is equal to root x. But here we want value of x, not root x. So to find the value of x, we have to square the term 231. If you square this, you will get the answer. 231 into 231. 1 1s are 1, 1 3s are 3, 1 2s are 2, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 1 6, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 2, 13, 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 1, 13, 4 plus 1, 5. X equal to 53361 is the answer for this problem. See the next problem. 5 by 6 into 2 by 9 divided by 4 by 9 and again divided by 6 by 7. That means here we have to find the total value of this question. So let us find this value. 5 by 6 into 2 by 9. Here let us replace divided by with in multiplicand. If you replace this term divided with multiplicand, 4 by 9 will become 9 by 4. And again it is replaced with multiplicand sign. 6 by 7 will become 7 by 6. Now it is easy to calculate, right? 9 9 will cancel. 2 3s are 6. Is there any term will cancel? No. Now multiply these two. 7 5s are 35. 6 4s are 24. 24 3s are 72. If you want to simplify the 35 by 72, you can simplify, but the final answer for this question is 35 by 72. See the next problem. 8988 divided by 8 and again divided by 4. So this problem is related to the previous one. 8988, if you replace divided with multiplication sign, 8 will become 1 by 8 and 4 will become 1 by 4. Now cancel the terms which are divisible. 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, it will become 18, 4 4s are 16, remaining is 2, 4 7s are 28. 2247 divided by 8. Let us divide 2247 with 8. You will get the final answer. 8 2s are 16, 2 minus 6, that means 12 minus 6, 6, 4, 8 8s are 64, 7.0, 8 8s are 64, again you got 6.0, 8 7s are 56, 4.0, 8 5s are 40. So the final answer for this question is 28.875. That means 8988 divided by 8 again divided by 4, that is equal to 28.875. See the next problem. 888 divided by 888 and again divided by 88. Apply the same method. Replace the divided with multiplicand. It will become 888 and it will become 88. Cancel with 8. 8 1s are 8, 8 1s are 8, 8 1s are 8. If you divide again with 11, 11 8s are 88, 11 1s are 11, 0, 11 1s are 11, 0, 11 1s are 11. It will become 10101 divided by 8 into 111, 88. If you want to simplify this further, you can simplify, but this is the final answer for this question. See the next question. 106 into 106 minus 94 into 94. Observe the question. We have solved this type of problem at the starting of this video, right? But at that time we have plus sign in this middle, but here we have minus sign. Let us see whenever we have minus sign in this video. See the question. The question is in the form of a square minus b square. That means 106 into 106 can be written as 106 whole square and 94 into 94 can be written as 94 whole square. And again observe here, this is in the form of a square minus b square. You know the formula, a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. If you substitute in this formula, it will become again complicated, right? So don't apply this formula. Let us evaluate this. 106 whole square can be written as 100 plus 6 whole square, right? 106 can be written as 100 plus 6 and 94 can be written as 100 minus 6 whole square. You know the formula, a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square equal to 4ab. Here a is 100, b is 6. Now multiply these 3. 4 into 100, 400, 400 into 6, 2400. I hope you understood how to calculate this problem. See the next question. 397 into 397 plus 103 into 103 plus 2 into 397 into 103. See the question, it looks like very large, but the answer is very simple. You know the formula, a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, right? If you compare this question with this formula, you will get the answer within few seconds. Here a is 397, b is 103. A square means 397 whole square, b square means 103 whole square plus 2 into a, 397 into b, 103. If we substitute a and b values, a plus b whole square, that is equal to 397 plus 103. You will get the answer within few seconds. 397 plus 103, 7 plus 3, 10, 9 plus 1, 10, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 500 whole square, that is equal to, that will become 25000. See the next problem. 186 into 186 plus 136 into 136 minus 2 into 186 into 136. See the question. This is related to the previous one, but here you have minus sign. You know the formula a minus b whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. If you compare this question with this formula, you will get the answer within few seconds. A square means 186 whole square plus b square means 136 whole square minus 2ab means minus 2 into 186 into 136. That means here a is 186, b is 136. Let us substitute in the formula 186 minus 136 whole square. If you subtract these two, you will get the answer. 6 minus 6, 0. 8 minus 3, 5. 1 minus 1, 0. That means 50 whole square, that is equals to 2500. See the next problem. 476 plus 424 whole square minus 4 into 476 into 424. Observe the question. This question is related to the previous problems which we have solved now, but it is a combination of two problems. 476 plus 424 whole square minus 4 into 476 into 424. You know the formula a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square equal to 4ab, right? If you replace 4ab, that means 4 into 476 into 424 with this formula, you will get the answer within few seconds. Keep 476 plus 424 whole square as it is. Let us replace 4ab as a plus b whole square. Here a is 476, b is 424 minus a minus b means 476 minus 424 whole square. Let us evaluate this. Keep 476 plus 424 as it is. Apply minus sign. It will become minus 476 plus 424 whole square. If you apply minus sign, minus into minus plus. Plus 476 minus 424 whole square. This is having plus sign and this is having minus sign. Cancel these two. And the final thing is 476 minus 424 whole square. If you subtract these two, 476 minus 424, 6 minus 4, 2, 7 minus 2, 5, 4 minus 4, 0. That is equal to 52 whole square. We will get the answer as 2904. That is the answer for this question. The question is in the form of a plus b whole square minus 4ab. We have converted 4ab as a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. After converting the formula, we have cancelled the terms which are having plus sign and minus sign, and we got the answer 2904. With this video, we completed 50 problems on the concept of number system. If you have any doubts, please mention in the comment section, or you can follow us on Instagram @SPRLearnersG. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, subscribe our channel. Thank you.